Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP outgoing payment tutorial. We're going to walk through how to create an outgoing payment. So let's go ahead. Let's pull up the module here. And first thing you want to do is select your payment account. And let's put in a payee. So that's the entity this outgoing payment is going towards. And you can make changes to the address here below. It'll fetch whatever the address is for the entity. And let's select a date for this outgoing payment. And we'll come back to payment amount in just a sec. And the exchange rate, if it's a non-home currency entity. And the payment method we'll put as check. So I'm going to put in a check number. You can add a reference number and memo as well. And now we can add some outgoing payment lines to this payment. So if necessary, you can select the store, the expense account, and let's put in an amount. I'll put in $150. And you can associate this payment line with an entity, and we can select the tax as well. Now let's just click on add. And I'm going to add one more line of 500. 31. Click add. And you can make changes to these lines as well. You can adjust the store, the account, amount, tax, memo, and you can delete the line as well. So now what you want to do is scroll up, and in this field you're going to want to enter the sum of all the lines here. And instead of summing it up yourself or entering it in yourself, you can just click on the calculator and it's going to automatically fetch the total amount from the bottom here. So you can see 682.83, it's put it up automatically. So now let's go ahead. Once everything's finalized, click save, click OK, and the outgoing payment has been saved.